getting too much of cough. Okay, right. So the next one is we need to sell the assets to the particular customers. Okay, if you want to sell the assets to the customers and all, you can able to sell the assets to the customers based on the creations of the new assets and based on the normal assets that we have. Okay, suppose now if you want to sell the assets to the customer within your main assets. Okay, some of the assets that you want to sell it. Okay, so we do have different types of assets. Okay, what are those different types of assets? You have a 1 lakh rupee assets. Okay, for 1 lakh rupee you have different types of assets and you need to sell 50% of the assets to the particular customer. How you can able to sell it? Okay, so now what we need to do is, can you go to the transaction code AW01N? Can you go to the transaction code AW01N? Give slash n. No, yes. So we have the acquisition value is 5 lakh rupee, all of you. Okay, so for the main assets and all. Suppose we need to sell, okay, some of the amounts to the, I mean, some of the assets to the particular customer. How we can able to sell it? Suppose 2,50,000 rupees assets we have to sell to the particular customers. How we can able to sell it? That is also very important, right? So without selling the process to the particular customer, how you can able to do it? That is very important. See, whenever you buy the assets, you need to sell it, right? At one point of time, you need to sell it, right? I mean, until you have different types of authorizations and all, okay, you cannot sell that assets, right? Why? Because if you have trading partners, if you have business partners, you need any partners that you have, and without their permissions, you cannot sell the assets. Okay, on your name, whatever the shares that you have, whatever the assets that you have, okay, you can able to sell it. That is very important in any SAP systems. I mean, in any business processes. That is very important. Now, what we need to do is, all of you. So I am selling the assets to the particular customer on the date of 01.08.2023. How we can able to do it? Can you go to the transaction code F-92 now? We can able to sell the assets to the particular customer. Okay, go to the, I mean, within this acquisition value, 5 lakh value. Okay, I'm going to sell 2,50,000 rupees assets to the particular customer. How you can able to do it? Okay, so can you take out the document date 01.08.2023 and the posting date is 01.08.2023 and the period will be 5 and document header text is sale of asset. The document header text is sale of asset. Okay, sale of asset and the posting key is different, that is 01. Posting key is different and that is 01. And the next one is account is customer account. If you have any customer, take out that customer. Okay, click on the enter. Click on the enter, no issue. Click on the enter. Okay, now how much that is? Amount is 2,50,000 rupees. You can just give 2,50,000 rupees. Okay, and for the main for the assets. We have the posting key that is 50. Is take out the posting key is 50. Take out the posting key is 50. No, ma'am. Remove this thing. Sale of the asset, right? Sale of the asset, right? In this account, go to the account, go to the account, go to the account. Go to the account here. Sale of asset will be there, right? Sale of asset account. Yes, take out that. Okay, so don't need to have anything. Can you click on the enter? Click on the enter. Just give a star and text as plus and give the business area. Give the business area and just tick mark on the asset retirement. Just tick mark on the asset retirement. Click on the enter. Now what we need to do is we need to take out the asset number, right? Okay, so sale of the asset number is very important. Okay, what we are selling is very important. Take out the plant and machinery. Take out the plant and machinery, and the transaction type will be a 210. Okay, that is fine. That is in the transaction type. 210 is retirement with the customer. Okay, asset value date is 01.08.2023. Okay, complete retirement, you can just give it. Complete retirement, you can just give it. That is very important, all of you. So complete retirement means, so you can able to do the complete retirement. Okay, if you want to do the partial retirement, you can able to do it. So for this 2,50,000 rupees, we are doing the complete retirement. Okay, so no, don't give anything. Already we have given the amount. Okay, that should be taken. Okay, so can you go to the continue option? Yes. So see, all of you, amount has been calculated and that has been issued with one thing. Okay, what is the issued with one thing? That is amount only, right? So go to the document simulate option. Go to the document simulate option. Give the assets, go to the continue option, give /n, and once again go back with the F-92 transaction code. Mm. 01.08.2023 and posting date is 01.08.2023. Give the 2,50,000 rupees. Asset value date and go to the complete retirement. And can you go to the continue option? Yes, and go to the document simulate option. Now see, all of you, now you have got sale of an assets is 2,50,000 rupees, and based on the sale of an asset, double click on this Thiru ma'am, sale of asset blue mark, and we need to give the thing. So you have got some loss, all of you. Why? Because 2,50,000 rupees, within the 2,50,000 rupees amount, we have sell this asset to the particular customer with 2,50,000 rupees only, not for the 5 lakh rupee. So that is why we have got the loss. Come back. One step back, ma'am. One step back. See, you can able to see each and everything, all of you. For these three steels, we are sharing the values with the we are selling the values to the particular customer, that is Sri Steels, and after that we have got the loss on sale of all the assets. Can you go to the save button and save it? And after that we can able to see the complete document details with the particular customer posting things. Okay, so go to the post option. This document has been posted. Go to the document display option, ma'am. Go to the document display option. Go to the documents display option. Yes. See all of you. So whatever the things that we have been posted for the 5 lakh rupee. So we have posted with the 2,50,000 rupees. And for that thing, the depreciation amount has been calculated with the 2,117. Okay, sale of asset has been a value that is 2,50,000 rupees, and loss on sale of an asset is, you can just observe, it is 2,47,883 rupees with the calculations of the amount. Okay, please try to remember each and every point, all of you. And if you are not getting the points and all, just try with this assets values. Okay, and check with the AW01N and the depreciation values and all. And we have got the loss, that the loss is 2,47,883 rupees. Okay, why? Because 2,50,000 rupees is the remaining value, right? Within the amount of 5 lakh rupee. Can you give slash n, ma'am? Go to the transaction code AW01N. You can able to see the assets values. You can able to see the assets values. Okay, see here. There is no any acquisition value till now. Okay, for the 2,50,000 rupees, how much loss that you have got? 2,47,883 rupees that you have got. That is the loss for the 4th period only. Okay, why? Because if I sell these assets to the particular customer on the 9th period, 9th month, that is 6th period and all, automatically what will happen? So that depreciation amount will be calculated, and total 4,203 depreciation will be calculated, and the loss will be measured. Okay. So why? Because I'm just taking the value 01.08.2023. If I took the value of the 01.09.2023, and you would get the much difference. Okay, not that much of difference. There is a small difference between the loss amounts and the main retirement value amount and all. See, there is no any acquisition value. You can just observe. So here you can just give asset 1, ma'am. Here in the asset, remove the 0. You can just give a plant and machinery sub assets. Click on the enter. See, this value should be there. Okay, don't worry. Why? Because sub asset value of the asset. I haven't sell, or I haven't sold all these things to the particular customers, right? Sub asset I haven't sold. Okay, main asset only I have sold this one to the particular customer. So for that thing you have got huge loss. How much? 2,47,000 rupees, 883 rupees. 2,47,883 rupees. So totally. So this is the way you can able to do your own process with the customer. Okay, so give remove this one, just give 0. See, for the practice purpose only, you can do with the sub assets. That is your choice, right? Remove the 1, can you get 0? And you should get this value, all of you. Loss, you should get it. Why? Because, see, for the 2,50,000 rupees, I have sent the total asset to the particular customer. Okay, total asset I have sold with 2,50,000 rupees to the customer. Then what will happen, all of you? So you have made some loss. How much loss? So you have seen that thing, right? And I am going to send you the screenshot here, and please try to do it, and without having all these values. And you may get some of the errors. Okay, you may get a lot of errors, all of you. Why? Because see, some of the systems configurations are different. In some of the systems, some of the configurations are very different. Okay, so based on the system configurations, you may get different types of errors. Okay, try to share the errors in the chat box. Okay, if I don't give the reply, so I mean, don't take it as a serious thing and all. Okay, if I have the work, I will not going to reply it. Okay, why I am asking you to send all these screenshots or errors in the chat box means someone will going to respond on your errors. Automatically, they will just give you the path how we can able to solve that thing. So if I give you the solution, automatically you will neglect that doubt. I mean, you will neglect that error. Okay, so if they ask you in the interviews, if that thing which was solved by you only, then you can remember all these things in the interview point of view.